The Supreme Court has directed the Center to preserve the ammunition log of the Rapid Action Force deployed during the recent student protests against NEET paper leak at Jantar Mantar in Delhi while hearing a plea over the use of metallic pellet guns during the demonstration. Taking note of the petition, the Apex Court observed that according to the Bureau of Police Research and Development Advisory, police are empowered to use pellet guns only in exceptional situations. However, the court termed the petitioner's plea seeking a complete ban on the use of metallic pellet guns vague. A bench comprising Chief Justice Suryakant and Justices Joymalia Bagchi and B. Mohana also took note of the submissions made by senior advocate Vrinda Grover, who appeared on behalf of the petitioners. The bench directed the Delhi government to provide the best possible medical treatment to Prashant Kumar, Sheikh Irshad Mansoori and others who sustained pellet gun injuries during the July 20th protest. The petition was filed by former Central Information Commissioner and retired IPS officer Yashuvardhan Azad, along with Prashant Kumar and Sheikh Irshad Mansoori, who were among those injured by pellet guns during the protest. The petitioners sought a complete ban on the use of metallic pellet guns. At the outset of the hearing, Justice Joymalia Bagchi observed that the plea seeking a ban on the use of pellet guns for civilian crowd dispersal was vague because it did not challenge the existing police regulations that permit the use of such weapons. In response, senior advocate Vrinda Grover submitted that the relevant police regulations were not easily available in the public domain. She urged the bench to direct the center to place those regulations on record before the court. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.